Hi, I'm John with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember that anytime you work on an appliance, make sure that it is unplugged or the circuit breaker is turned off so there is no chance of electrocution. We're going to show you how to install a new evaporator fan motor blade for a GE refrigerator. It's a really easy job that only requires a 1/4-inch nut driver, a 5/16" nut driver, and a few minutes of your time. When you open the package, you'll get one new evaporator fan motor blade. The reason why you'd be replacing the evaporator fan motor blade is if the freezer section is too warm or there's an unusual noise during operation. Start by opening the freezer door. Remove the ice bucket assembly. Remove the top shelf assembly. Remove the metal shelf located at the top of the freezer. Unplug the ice maker assembly. Use a 1/4-inch nut driver to loosen and remove the screw that holds the ice maker to the side of the freezer cabinet. And then remove the ice maker assembly. Use a 5/16" nut driver to remove the screw that holds the ice auger motor assembly in place. Lift up on the left edge of the auger motor assembly, then pull out on the assembly. Unplug the auger motor wiring harness. Remove the light shield. Remove the 2 screws that retain the base of the evaporator fan cover. Loosen, but don't remove, the 2 screws that hold the top portion of the evaporator fan cover. Lift up slightly and then remove the evaporator fan cover. Once you remove the cover, you'll now have access to the evaporator fan motor blades. Pull straight up on the evaporator motor fan. Then, remove it from the refrigerator. Here's the old evaporator fan motor blade next to the new one. If you already have the new part, great. If not, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Install the new evaporator fan on the shaft of the motor assembly. Reinstall the evaporator fan cover, making sure that the top screws align with the slots. Tighten the 2 screws that retain the upper portion of the evaporator fan cover. Thread in and tighten the 2 screws that retain the base of the evaporator fan cover. Install the light shield. Plug in the auger motor wiring harness. Then install the auger motor assembly. Use a 5/16" nut driver to thread in the bolt that retains the auger motor. Reinstall the ice maker. Then thread in and tighten the retaining screw. Reconnect the ice maker wiring harness. Install the top metal shelf, making sure that the side clips in to the 2 clips. Reinstall the top shelf assembly. Reinstall the ice bucket assembly. Close the freezer door, and then reconnect the power cord, then the refrigerator should be ready for use. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. And be sure to check out our other repair videos on our website, on our Facebook page, and on our YouTube channel.